In today's video, I'll show you how to use workflows in Calendly step by step. Workflows are powerful automation tools that let you send reminders, follow-ups, and custom notifications before or after meetings without doing anything manually. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Workflows section in the left-hand menu. Note, workflows may only be available on certain paid plans. Now click Create Workflow. Next, choose the event type this workflow will apply to. For example, you can apply it to consultation calls, coaching sessions, or sales meetings. After that, choose when the workflow should run. You can set triggers such as before the meeting for reminders, after the meeting for follow-ups, at the time of booking for confirmations. Now select the action you want Calendly to perform. You can choose email notifications or SMS messages, depending on your setup. Next, customize your message. Write your subject line and email content. You can include useful details like meeting links, preparation instructions, or follow-up resources. Calendly also allows you to insert dynamic fields like the invitee's name, event time, and meeting type, so your messages feel personalized automatically. Once your workflow is ready, click Save or Publish. Now your automation is active and will run automatically whenever someone books the selected event type. If needed, you can create multiple workflows for different purposes. For example, one reminder before the meeting and one follow-up after it ends. Before finishing, test your workflow by booking a sample event and checking if the automated messages are sent correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up workflows in Calendly and automated your scheduling communication. And that's how you use workflows in Calendly.